niguo gucukania utungata wa urigitani mathibitarĩ ma mũingĩ kaunti ya Embu vuva mandagĩtarĩ kũgomera wĩra wao ũtukũ wa mũthenya wa Jumaine. Gavana wa kaunti iyo CECILY Mbarire nĩwĩtĩkĩrĩte kũvingia mamwe ma mateta ma mandagĩtarĩ. Gatagatĩ ka maũndũ marĩa megucanĩrĩtwo nĩ thirikari ya kaunti kwambatia ngathĩ mandagĩtarĩ onthe arĩa makinyĩtie mĩaka 55 na ũndũ ũmwe na kũrĩva mathirĩ ma mũigana wa mirioni 278 ma mbeca iria mandagĩtarĩ makoretwo makinũkwo kuma mĩcarara yao na itikoretwo kĩrenganĩrwo kũndũ ta vengi kũrĩva ngombo iria mocete.
Both parties have agreed as follows. Number one, on delayed and denied promotions, the county acknowledged the delay by saying it was occasioned by the previous administration's failure to budget for the same. Both parties have agreed that, one, all senior doctors above 55 years who are almost retiring to be promoted to the right job groups immediately. And I think those are how many? 6 in number. Doctors due for common cadre promotions to be effected immediately because it's between job group M and N. That's a common cadre and there's no budgetary implication. Consultants due for designation to be effected after a bipartisan committee meeting that will come up with the mechanisms of how to do it.
Woguo gwĩtĩkanĩrwo kamĩtĩ ya mwanya thondekwe nĩguo gũcirĩkĩvonia kamateta mau mengĩ ma mandagĩtarĩ nĩtuĩke kũrenganĩra ripoti nginyanĩru tarĩki 17 mweri ũyũ wa January.
It has been agreed to form a bipartisan committee. The bipartisan committee has been tasked with the following. One, to hold the first meeting on 12th January 2024 at 9 a.m., which is tomorrow, and give the report by the 17th January 2024 to the larger team. Come up with recommendations on terms of employment for doctors in future. Non-common cadre promotions, redesignation of consultants.
Kumakĩranagĩra gũcokania mawĩra arĩ mandagĩtarĩ nĩ mavecenĩte mũkana wa gũcoka mũgomo angĩkorwo thirikari ya kaunti ndĩgakorwo ĩkĩvingia ripoti ya kamĩtĩ ĩyo.
Come up with a document that essentially we shall form a bipartisan team that shall engage in discussions and come up with a document. Meanwhile, we have decided to suspend the strike from tomorrow. So we want to ask our doctors to report to work as from tomorrow morning at 8 a.m. Then we shall be giving directions.
Vando River KMPDU TV ne kaunti ya Embu Dennis Fundi.